Today my topic is Israel-Gaza conflict. Since October 2023, Gaza has been burning under bombs, but the fire is not just there, it's inside our heart too. Let's start by telling you what really happening in Gaza city. Schools, hospitals, even mosques are bombed. Electricity is cut, water is denied, and this is not a normal war. This is a humanitarian disaster. The United Nations has called the Gaza a graveyard for children. But I tell you the number: 38,295 Palestinians have been killed in Gaza city. Among them, 15,350 are children and 9,800 are women. 78,000 are seriously injured, and 1.7 million people lost his house. Many are still buried under the rubble, without names, without prayers. One Palestinian child said, "We don't want to war. We just want to live, to pray, to dreams." People who don't help killed inside the Palestine, but children don't start the war, but always fast to die. I ask you, who are the real victim of this war? Not politician, not soldier, but the real victim of this war is the babies, the father and mother. The many powerful countries are stay silent. Some gives weapons, some supports bombs. But the victim people who never die in this situation, and some country are stood for truth and humanities. Silence is not a injustice betrayal. Islam teaches us that we cannot stay silent. We must make sincere dua. We must speak truth. We must give charity. We must raise awareness. We must stay informed. Today Gaza is burning, tomorrow it could be us. Let our silence not be louder than the bombs. So our famous writer said that fear does not come from the circumstance, fear comes from the way for response. Today, no more today because time is short, that's why. Thanks for everyone for listening my speech. Allah Hafiz.